Welcome to the Willow City Loop, one of Texas's most breathtaking routes. 13-mile loop just outside of Fredericksburg takes you through rolling hills, picturesque landscapes, and fields bursting with color. It's a route that feels straight out of a postcard. In the spring, the Willow City Loop comes alive with wildflowers. It's not just a drive, it's an experience. Visitors often stop to admire the flowers, take photos, or simply soak in the natural beauty. This specific ranch provides a blank canvas for you to live out your Texas ranch dream.